Alright guys, I'm adding more cheese. Doesn't look amazing? This is going to be a really good breakfast casserole, guys. Alright guys, look at all that cheese. Oh wow, it's going to be amazing. Alright guys, 1 hour it will be ready. Can't wait. Alright guys, it's been about an hour. I think it's done. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Yum. And how to tell if a casserole is done is you just use a knife and it comes out clean, which it does. That means it's done. That's a good size right here. Alright guys, let's try the breakfast casserole. I decided to eat outside since it's kind of sunny. So let's try it. Might be super hot. It's hot. Mmm. That's so good, especially with the hash browns. Mmm. Wow. That's really good, guys. And I'm also drinking some coffee right here. The coffee is hot. Alright guys, so the reason why I'm making this breakfast casserole is because I did a video, I think it was El Pollo Loco. At the very end of the video, I talked about my trip and I talked about where I went for Thanksgiving, and I made a breakfast casserole. And one of my subscribers, Maple Life, wanted me to do like a video on how to make a breakfast casserole. And I said, you know what? Well, this one I made in Thanksgiving was very very healthy, no cheese. I asked him, do you want cheese or no cheese? He said, definitely cheese. So I'm trying to find a really easy recipe. It's just one person. I don't want anything high tech, you know, for breakfast, you know. And I found the recipe. I searched casserole hash browns, I think. I searched for breakfast casserole hash brown or something on YouTube, and then all recipes video came up. And this one was very simple. It basically has hash browns, pork, lots of cheese. It has onions. I added green bell pepper, even though the recipe doesn't call for green bell pepper. I added green pepper anyways. So I think it'd be kind of good with extra vegetables. So it's pretty good. Yeah, it's very cheesy. Lots of onions, lots of peppers. It's really good, guys. I also have the recipe because it's just one person, and I don't need a whole recipe for one person. But if you guys want to see the full video on how to make it, I kind of just snip-pick. I kind of just did a quick shots on how I make it. But if you want to see the full video, I'll leave the all recipes video in the link down in the description down below, so you guys can check it out. It's very easy to make. Very easy. It's really good though. Very good. And I love hash browns. I love potatoes. I love fried potatoes. I love hash browns. So when I found out this included hash browns in there, I was really happy. I got most of the ingredients at Trader Joe's. And I love Trader Joe's. They have the best shredded hash browns frozen. I just love it so much. It was really easy to make. I'm super excited. Very good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. So guys, today is Sunday. What am I going to do today? I have some errands to do. Christmas shopping errands. So I decided to stay a little bit longer at the craft store. I mean, as long as they treat me really nice, are not terribly bad, and the last few days has been better than before. So I think in January, I just feel like in January I'm going to get a different job that's better, maybe more hours. I don't know what job. I want to be applying everywhere. I think I might go far out too. Like, I mean, I might travel to Berkeley, because Berkeley is 30 minutes for me, and their minimum wage is $15 an hour. I might even go to San Francisco, and I don't know. I'm just going to go out more. Just an update, McDonald's did not call me yet for an interview. I did find out that when I applied at Indeed.com at the McDonald's in Berkeley, because I did apply there like 3 weeks ago or something, I did see that they did look at my resume. Or they did look at my application. They have not called me yet. And at that time, I was only going to work on the weekends, and maybe they were looking for something more people on the, like during the day or during the week or something. So I calculated, I think I can get to McDonald's in Berkeley by 5:30 p.m. and I can work till 11, like on Friday night, and then Saturday and Sunday. And just for those 3 days, 15 bucks an hour, I could be making almost $1,100 a month. And that is more than enough for an apartment. So, but I'm not sure McDonald's is right for me. I just wanted to, I really wanted to make a video and see how bad it really is. I've been watching McDonald's videos with electric McDonald's on YouTube, and there's so many so many bad stuff. One girl I saw yesterday, she quit because they got new ownership or new managers, owners, and the owner was like, I'm gonna fire you, I'm gonna fire you. He kept on saying that, so she just forget this, I'm not gonna even go back. So, I don't know. I'm not sure if fast food is right for me. I really want to work at a grocery store, actually. I would love to work at a grocery store. I don't want to stock. You know, I don't want to like do stocking or go back. I just want to work as a cashier. That's what I want to do. This is really good, guys. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more. I'll be right back. All right, guys, got a little bit more. I also want to make this a little bit longer video, but this is really good. My dog smells my food. I'm gonna have to give her. That's why she's here. There's sausage in here. Dogs love meat. And I love easy recipes. So today is Sunday as I what the freak? Yes, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I kind of want to do another video because I like doing my videos on the weekends, and it's easier to do my videos on the weekends when I don't really work. Don't really work much on the weekends these days. Because my craft stores usually they have not scheduled me on Saturdays, which is kind of cool, but kind of way bad. But I have the whole weekend to do videos, so that's good. But kind of want to do one more video today, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to do a food review, a mukbang video. Really good. Amazing. Kind of want to do a live video in my backyard since it's sunny. Yesterday was really cloudy. It's sunny, so maybe I'll do a live video. I really want to review that new Starbucks drink. I forgot what it was called, but it's like a Christmas drink or something. Like a latte. That looks really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the outside video and like the cooking process. That was a lot of fun for me. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Peace.